Hey, startup chefs. Remember the live stream I told you about last week? The one where my plan died in just 4 minutes? Well, I didn't tell you the complete story. I left out the best part. When I hit the live button, the two friends who'd been nagging me for a month to start, they showed up with 38 other people. That's 40 in total. And I had people I've never heard of, people I've never spoken to, people I didn't even know existed. I'm pretty sure they didn't know I existed either. And here's the actual best part of it, like cherry on top of the cake. Some of them paid and joined my startup community. So this is something I see all the time with tech founders. You expect the worst case. Nobody will show up. Nobody will visit the site. Nobody will download the app. Nobody will register. Nobody will pay, etc., etc. And the thing is, you try to prevent the future by doing everything except the one simple action that guarantees the results. And let me just shamelessly copy Nike here. Just ship it. Just ship it. Because the thing is, I get these questions every single week. Hey, Riley, is my SaaS going to work? I don't know. How many users can I get in the first 90 days? I don't know. Do you think people will pay for this? I still don't know. There's only one way to find out. Put it out there and drag people to it. My first live stream wasn't good. I told you that last week. But it got me started and I built on top of it. So ask yourself, what's actually worse? Spending 3, 6, or 18 months in the kitchen cooking a startup and try to get it perfect without knowing if anyone is even hungry for that? Or plating a quick little something, putting it out there, and watching how people react to it. Let them see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, and eventually buy it. Remember one thing, success is obvious, so keep cooking.
Shorten, the amazing advisor, leading every step I take higher.
Oh, and by the way, one more thing. I'm adding a new section to make this newsletter even better for you. It's called Ask Me Anything, SaaS or Startups. And it's a quick form, anonymous, you don't have to put your name on it. But the more precise your question is, the more precise my insights will be. And so the idea with this is I want to give you a free consulting session using this newsletter so you can get paying customers and scale your business. So try the link, drop me your questions, and every week I'll pick one of the best questions that I see and I'll try to answer it. See you next week. But until then, boom.